tell you, this has been what I call a wild ride. I've got stories after stories after stories. If it was in truth or fiction, I think you'd probably think this has to be fiction. Think about this just a minute. Here's a startup company that's going to start with that card table and 4 chairs, 1985, and by 94 become the largest trailer manufacturing company in the world. The plan was, let's have some fun. Let's just wear blue jeans and a t-shirt and come over, build 5 FRPs a day and take life easy for a while. We weren't just a team, we were a family. And everybody worked together that way. Can you imagine having the support of customers? Dart, for instance, gave us an order for several hundred trailers. I didn't even have a drawing to show them what it was going to look like. But they had the confidence in us because of our relationship with them. We decided that what we're going to do in our product is not build the lowest cost and the cheapest, but doggone it, we're going to build the best. Well, it hasn't stopped. We introduced the composite trailer in '96. Today, the composite trailer that we introduced is the most popular trailer being produced in our whole industry. That doesn't happen just casually. There's a reason why. It's a wonder how everybody seems to copy things after a while. And that's why you can't stand still in this business. You have to keep moving all the time. The relationship with the customer. You do business with people, and people are a relationship. It's not business to business, it's really people to people. We work hard for people, and it's been a fun ride.